Zhongshan UnitedStar Electrical Appliance Manufacturing Company Limited is an enterprise focusing on the research and development, design, production, and sales of environmental household appliance products. Since its establishment, the company has always adhered to the values of constantly improving efficiency, actively embracing change, integrity, and dedication. At present, the company has a complete internal structure, has passed the ISO 9001 quality system and BSCI, with nearly 23,000 square meters of plant, R290 mobile air conditioning production line, as well as dry sound test laboratory, mainly produces portable air conditioning, air cooling fans, electric fans, rechargeable fans, solar fan, and brushless DC motor. The products are exported to more than 50 countries and have GS, CE, CB, CCC, ROHS certificates. At present, the company has 4 registered trademarks, 13 products patent, 6 R&D engineers, more than 13 years experience in home appliance product development, mainly engaged in product appearance, structural design work, and innovative research and development of energy-saving products. We are wholeheartedly for customers to provide OEM and ODM services, has cooperated with famous enterprises on the basis of industry requirements with international standards for many end users to provide efficient and low-cost products to improve the world environment.